Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create splatter effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, create a new document. So go to File and hit on New. Here select 1920 by 1080 pixels custom document. And press Create. Cool. Now go to File and choose Open. Select this image. And press Open. Take Quick Selection tool and select the background like this. Unlock this layer by double-click on it and press OK. Now hit Delete button to delete the background. And also hit Ctrl-D to deselect. Perfect. Take the Move tool and move this image to New Document. Cool. Now hit Ctrl-T to transform the image by holding Shift and Alt buttons. Use Ctrl+ and Ctrl- for zoom in, zoom out the document. Now go to Image folder, select these two images, and grab to Photoshop. And press Enter. Cool. Hide the black and white dripping paint layer. And drag and drop this color background layer to bottom like this. Perfect. Unhide the top layer by hit on eye icon. Then go to blending modes and choose lighten. Cool. Now select the image layer. And go to Effects, and choose blending options. Here select inner shadow. Pick the violet background color to match the image. Increase the choke value to 20. Size value to 35. Change the blending mode to normal. Now select the color overlay. Here also pick the violet background color or any other color to match the image. Increase the opacity to 30. Also select drop shadow. And press OK. Now the time to adjust the layers for best view result. Perfect. Finally, thank you and need your support.